Retired NBA star Kobe Bryant, age 41, and his daughter Gianna, age 13, were among 9 people in a helicopter that crashed near Calabasas, California. A college baseball coach and his wife and daughter were also killed. As all the people all over the world were shocked in the sad news this morning, we, Filipino fans, were sending our sincerest condolences and greatest sympathy and prayers to the family of one of the NBA legends, Kobe Bryant. Life is too short. Don't miss opportunities to spend time with the people you love. You will always be remembered, Kobe.